haven't got any friends. Everyone hates me because I'm ugly.
Oh, they are too cool. I think you look delicious.
What'd you say?
I said poultry can be so malicious. Look at them guzzling all that bread.
Oh, it's supposed to be really nice. It's French.
À l'orange. Do you mean to say they didn't let you have any?
Not a crumb.
Well, that settles it then. Lunch is in on me.
Oh, do you mean it? You really are a friend.
Of course I am. Now just follow me.
Oh, I'd better tell my mother.
Oh no, you mustn't. Look, she is talking to her Grace. Don't you know a duckling should never interrupt anyone who is talking to her Grace?
Oh, I really think I should.
What a feast! Live on for long. And remember, what harm can it do? You're hungry, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Well, that makes two of us. Come along.
Oh, well, if you're sure.
Oh, I'm quite sure.
It's Anna I feel sorry for.
Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines.
Oh, it's a nice place you got here.
A little bijou, perhaps, but I think of it as home. Now, let me see. Casserole of duck and cherry, duck and chestnut, duck pineapple, duck pate, duck pancakes with plum sauce. Ah, here we are. Duck à l'orange.
Oh, what are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know we are. I mean, what are we going to eat?
I'll whip something up. A surprise.
Oh, my mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Ah, bless her. Mothers are all the same. They seem to think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no, she was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig all flowers from freshly planted beds. And with articles floating, it's okay to hold some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten day, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your child before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while I bite it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me, Ducky, what do you want to play? It can be anything in the world. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle stuff in the mud, tickle back in the shallows. Then make your sign, go slide in the sun to marsh for fine marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch a boat, wanna go and race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can chest with your joint before you slice. You can play with your food, but don't dribble. My mama gave the best advice. You can play with your food before you gulp it. You can mess with your meal before you munch. You can play with your food and poke it. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We could go rushing, dash in a ditch, find place where it's foggy. Then make a little camp that's driven down for me and my mate the monkey. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, then have to make a promise first to stop calling me names.
Oh, I'll help you to forget the way they scolded. Just as soon as I wretched children from a foreign playful. Did they come and play with me? Did they ring around to my Rosie? I don't suppose they even remember that they own a cat. You know, some people just shouldn't keep animals. And 8 out of 10 cats that expressed a preference would agree with me.
What are people?
What are people?
Any eyes me?
Oh, you don't want to get mixed up with them. Bad news, that's what people are. Just think yourself lucky, Ducky. Then I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter them.
Duck.
Yes, correct. It's a duck.
Duck.
Yes, I know. It's a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mallard.
Duck.
Struck out by a foul ball.
You broke the window.
Before the subject of your spectacles, Barnacles, get a check. Cattails do not advance. For the thing here was famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I lost
Sit
you.
back or I'll catch.
Oh, be still my quaking legs. I'm going to be goose.
What are you doing here?
What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course. She sent me to fetch you. Special envoy.
Now listen to your cat. I will stand down here. And my order is taken personal charge. And the duckling saved her telling you his mother.
Well, I'm going to try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard of the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over. Silence at the ranks.
No joke, sir.
Maybe I can be of assistance. I'll go over to the chute, and I'll let you know when they're picking up for the day.
Very well, and no funny business. I know several ways to achieve your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby. The coast is clear. They're putting away their guns
Are you sure?
on one of my lines.
Good. All right then, men. Final check. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
For me?
You don't think I'm going to leave you here with a duckling, do you? Oh no, Puss! You're coming with us!
Oh, Catherine. Our wings are spread, so don't delay. Our access down, our soul away. It's time to fly. We hope on a wild goose chase with a happy ending, impending if we can locate his nest. We go to Europe, fly to the old town. We won't be back until we find your love. She wouldn't ring her own doorbell. Come in. Quack, quack.
Oh no. What are you doing here?
Thought I'd cook my geese, eh? Is there any way to treat your long-lost feather, father? Your father? Ugliness certainly runs in the family.
He's not my father. Don't listen to him.
He is overcome, son. Oh, good daddy. Your mother and I have been worried sick.
Don't let him near me. Does he look like a duck?
No, dear. People who live in glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Or something like that.
He's a cat.
Children will have their fun. I'm sorry if he's caused you any inconvenience, and I'm most grateful that you've kept him all in one piece. Come along, Ducky. Thank the nice poultry for looking after you.
He's a cat, I tell you. A sly, treacherous, double-crossing.
Hungry.
No good, conniving tomcat.
It's no good. The line's busy. Well, hello. Musk, another duck. We've got a pond to go to. Meow.
Shouldn't you be heading back? You said his mother was sick with worry.
Meow, meow.
I told you he was a tomcat.
A tomcat.
Don't get any funny ideas, Queenie. We have an arrangement. Don't forget. Oh no, there will be tears before bedtime. job. The duckling has escaped. He won't have gone that far. If you start making tracks, you're bound to hear his quack. And catch him for yourself. Don't let us delay your trip. You'll soon be within your grip. I see the macrame class is paid off.
You again? How'd you find me?
Oh, a little bird told me.
Well, you're too late. I'm gonna be eaten by the people.
Such a waste.
Even if you'd help me escape, you'd only eat me yourself.
True.
Well, you're not gonna get me?
Listen, I have what I think you'll agree is a very tempting proposition that might just satisfy us both.
Well, I don't like oranges if that's part of the plan.
Look, if you come with me, I will take you back to your mother so you can see your mother for one last time.
Either way, I get eaten, right?
Well, you can't have it both ways. Quick, make up your mind.
Right, you're on!
And remember, don't try any funny business. This way, at least you can see your mother again. Hello, Swanee? Swanee? Swanee, how I love ya. You can play with your duck until you goose it. You can chicken and run until you goose. Together, we say your mother. It's a crazy, it's a crazy, it's a crazy. The weather's turned out.